Laswell, it was chemical weapons. Makarov has highly concentrated sarin gas.
Did you secure it?
Negative.
Captain almost died trying.
Where is he?
I'm here, Laswell. Where are the missiles?
I tracked Farah's missiles to an abandoned bunker complex. Built during the Cold War.
We know those bunkers.
So does Farah. Why does Coney need a silo for portable missiles?
Exactly.
We'll split up. I'll be with Farah just off the X.
We'll spread out and sweep the complex. Get those missiles back.
Good. I'm heading to Arklov to meet a contact who may be able to help us.
Custovian military base. How are you getting in there alive?
Carefully. I'll report back when I'm able.
I'll see you on the other side.
Good hunting, Bravo.
6 to Ghost. At the rally point, what's your status?
On target, Charlie. You got Alpha, Kilo takes Bravo.
Roger. Stand by. Fuck's sake, Farah.
Head on a swivel, old man.
Russia's back in Kazakhstan.
Contractors.
The Coney Group. Pulled a stash of chemicals from up north yesterday.
Stole my missiles at sunrise.
All less than 24 hours after Vladimir Makarov walked himself out of a prison.
Works quickly.
Well, he's making up for lost time, isn't he?
Let's move.
Who sent you the missiles?
Shadow Company.
Shadow Company don't have that kind of firepower. They're errand boys with tac vests.
They're allies.
They carried out a hit on my men.
Commander Graves did this.
Yeah, well, he had his orders, yeah.
From who?
General Shepard. Did Shepard send you those missiles?
My weapons are my business.
He's a very dangerous man, Farah.
We are all dangerous, Captain. Look. I never want to lie to you, but I can't tell you everything. What you call classified, I call secrets. My country is under siege again. My brother warned us.
Just to go a lot deeper than Kazakhstan.
Well, then let's help each other. Like always, I hope you trust me.
Implicitly.
Good. See you on the other side.
All stations. Bravo 6 Kilo.
Kilo Sec.
Copy. Your drone's on station. You and Farah have the con.
Affirm.
A lot of Russians. Coney's brought an army into Kazakhstan.
No missiles in sight. They're in the bunkers then.
I see an entry point. Marking now. You'll need a keycard to get in.
Paris right. The two down the cats in our sector with their keycard earlier. Had a red beret.
Roger. Red beret.
I spotted one near the steel buildings, north of the entry.
Red beret. That's my target.
Good. Track him and get his keycard. Use it on the door for entry.
And you?
I know another way in.
Copy. Well, stay on comms. I'll see you inside. Pushing down from the mountainside.
The field may conceal your movement.
Right. Silent and violent.
Так. Ответь. Сектор чист.
Понял. Отбой.
6 to all stations. Coney's planting ULF fingerprints on the base.
Makarov's launching a false flag attack. Those missiles are American. He's pinning it on Farah in the west.
He wants the world to think I'm the enemy.
We need to find out what the target is before it's too late.
Есть активность.
-1.
Слушаю.
Cleared the perimeter.
Copy. Find the captain, get his keycard.
Be advised, Soap and Ghost are in. Spotty signals underground.
Copy. We find the missiles and relay when we can.
Check.
Ротация через 10 минут.
Понял. Что этим заняться?
Дельта.
Можете подтвердить нашу следующую позицию?
Расчетное время. Что это сейчас было? Ты это видел? Понял. Посмотри, что там.
Принято.
Visual on the captain. Took out their overwatch.
Макс, проверка связи.
Я здесь.
Есть что-нибудь?
Порядок.
Понял. Главный, отбой.
Блядь, делай! Наткнулся на врага! Атакую! Выдвигаюсь! Иду.
Payload, county captain's down.
You need that keycard for entry.
Our key card secure.
Captain, you have more colony pushing on your location. Use the keycard to get in.
All part of the plan.
Get through the door and find you inside. Pushing interior.
I'm in.
Watch your six, old man. They know we're here now.
Affirmative. Let's find those missiles.
Единственный путь вниз. Где эта сволочь? Смотри, как понимаешь меня. Прием, смотри. Я подчинил. Командир его прервал. Да, противник пусти. Запрашивай подкрепление. Осторожнее! Сейчас!
Never.
Got your back, Captain.
Appreciate the assist, Kilo.
Они в комнате охраны. Приготовиться.
They know we're here. Don't hold back. On you.
Let's move.
On your six.
Враг идет сюда! Атакуй! Если увидите движение,
forward.
убейте!
Play the three.
Дерьмо!
Кинула точную! Граната, берегись!
Push it up, Joe.
Keep the hole. Keep moving.
Стреляйте, когда они выйдут из-за угла! В какой стороне? Я на крыше! Генных не Снижаю алгоритм запуска. Охраняйте ракеты. Избавьтесь от чужаков!
Keep pushing. We have to get through the door. Captain, do you hear that?
They're opening the blast door.
They're trying to launch the missile. This way. We have to push up to the second floor.
Can we use these computers to deactivate the launch?
Negative. I'll need to access the control box on the missile. Throwing grenade! Go to the silo at the end of the walkway. Go! If we can get to the missile, I might be able to disarm it. The launch platform is on the other side of this door.
Copy.
It's locked. I'll get it open. Stand by.
All stations, we located 2 missiles. The warheads are capital chemicals. I say again, the missiles have chemical warheads.
7-1, repeat your last. Fucking hell!
Doors open. This way. Let's move.
Все отряды к ракетной шахте. Надо обеспечить запуск.
Clear.
The missile. They're going to launch it, Captain.
Fuck.
06, come in. Captain, you copy?
Go for 6.
Coney's put Makarov's chemicals into the warheads. They're gonna launch.
My missiles. My flags, my country.
He wants the world to think you did this.
If these missiles launch, they will. Chemicals. This missile has them too.
Farah, these are your missiles. There has to be a way to disarm it.
There is. Get on the control box. We can do this together. I'm in.
Ready?
Stand by. It's too late to disarm. We have to let it launch.
What?
We close the blast door and detonate.
Containing the chemicals in a bunker.
Yes. Get to the surface, find the blast door controls, and close it, Captain.
Where will you be?
I'll get to a safe position and hold the launch as long as I can. Go, now! Calling. Prep for contact.
I'll hold the launch as long as I can. Get to that tower fast.
Enemy juggernaut. What is the target?
Our club base in Castovia.
Oh no. As well.
To launch!
Kilo, ascending now.
Copy. Go to the tower, get to the controls.
Cap, visual on a Coney helo incoming on your position. They're bringing in reinforcements. You need to move.
Coney's all over the surface. They're guarding the tower.
Cut through them. I'll hold the launch as long as I can.
Detonate.
Get to the control tower!
Pushing into the control tower, Farah.
30 seconds to launch! Get on the controls and shut the blast door, Captain!
Kilo, closing the blast doors now. Kilo. Farah, do you copy? Farah, can you hear me?
Loud and clear, Captain. Detonation complete. Missile is dead. Chemicals contained.
Rog. Bravo, give me sit rep.
We're too late, Captain. Coney surrounded the controls.
Guys, what does he mean?
2 missiles. Launch him now from your northwest.
No. No. Craig!